Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on January 29th, 2017. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, I just want to welcome everybody. Happy New Year. I know I haven't done a video for a while. The website has been under construction. They have been fixing the website. So I will be doing the watch list for January 30th, 2017 on YouTube. Okay, I will post this link. Please don't share it or post it. This will be primarily for members only. If we see that traders kind of liked the videos, I will try to do as many videos as possible. But with that said, I just want to make sure that the information gets out to you guys because I know the watch list is important and I know that the website is being fixed. Okay, so this is pretty much your list for January 30th, 2017. First stock that we're gonna mention is a company by the name of High Tech Corp. Okay, High Tech Corp trades under ticker symbol HTIC. What I notice here is that we're in a wedge pattern. We also have the stock that it used to trade back here at 15. The last major run, you saw the stock bounce from this 15 level. It ended up hitting a high of 0.005, and right now, if you notice, it is holding support here at that 15 level, and it's also in a wedge pattern. What I like most about the stock is you're seeing the accumulation distribution rise and also an increase in volume. You had a 4 and 2 million volume. Average volume on this is not much. The average volume on this, I believe, let me go over here because I think I did a typo here. The average volume on the HTIC right now is currently at 452,000 shares, and that's found here on OTC Pinks. So we had volume of 2.8 million on Friday. So I see accumulation here is increasing. If you come over here, we're gonna notice that okay, right now you're trading above the 8-day moving average here at 16, and you're right here trading right below that 21-day moving average. If you notice that 8 into 21-day moving average cross, it's bullish. If you see the volume increasing here for the last couple of days, and if you notice here, the accumulation has been increasing. Okay, so this is a key indicator of volume coming into the stock and more interest coming into the stock. If you notice here, what I want to kind of see is this stock break this pivot here about 0.003. If we do close and confirm above 0.003, would not be surprised if this 0.05 level gets taken out. And that gives us a risk reward in between here from 15 to 20. That's about 25% risk. So simply place your stop close below 15 on 2 consecutive closes. And if it does close below that, what we'll do is we'll look for exits and then we'll look at the stock from that 9 to 12 probability range. So that's what I want traders to kind of look for ticker symbol HTIC. Right now, if you notice, our share structure is just 500 million authorized shares as of August 2016. You have outstanding shares of 351 million. You have a float here of just around 102 million. So my remarks here is low SS stock in a wedge pattern. We're looking for a break and close above that 21 and 8-day moving average. If it does, we're looking at that 35 to 50 and then that potential move higher. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol AZFL. That's Amazonas Florestal. I noticed this average volume is basically 1.9 million. We had a volume on Friday of 19 million. I took a position here from 0.0023 to 0.0031. Average price is basically around 25.26. I'm going to be on the bid from 0.0022 to 26. I think that this stock is in a nice buy range. It is in a box pattern. Authorized shares is just 310 million. Outstanding shares is about 99 million. Float is 17 million. If we look at this chart here, it's a pretty good chart. I think that it's given us indicator here of increasing volume. Okay, you have a volume surge, also accumulation and distribution is surging right now. Looking for that close above this 21 and 8 day moving average. You got a path of least resistance from 0.0034 to 61, so that's pretty good. I'm looking for that close above 34 on 2 consecutive closes. Right now, the moving average, the 8 day moving average is here at 33, and we're right on it. If you notice here, we kissed that low of 23 and then ended up closing at the high of the day at 33. So I'm basically putting the buy zones here from 23 to 33. That gives us about, I'm going to say about 30% risk on the stock. Pivot is going to be a close above 0.005 on 2 consecutive closes. Why? Because a lot of traders bought this at 25. You go 100% from 25 levels, that leaves you like around 50. 2 confirmation closes about 50. We're going to look for that break of that 21-day moving average. Okay, so that's a pretty good setup there. If you look here at the authorized shares, not too much. That's 310 million as of August 2016. Okay, on my remarks, this is a post-reverse split. Okay, that is now in a box pattern that has had a surge in volume from that lows. Thus far, that 0.0023 level is a key level of support and has held. Look for that 0.0045 break and then that 0.006. This stock reminds me a lot of that ACNV and that BMXC trade that we had when nobody wanted it. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol BSTN. I noticed not much volume in the last several months, but now volume's coming in, so we got a volume surge. So that's an accumulation distribution spike. Right now, you had an average volume of 1.9 million. You had a volume of 37 million on Friday, added from 16 to 18. So that leaves me with about a 17 average. I'm going to be looking to bid here from 11 to 14. 52-week low is at 0.001. I feel that traders already got out if they added at that position, which wasn't much. Right now, I don't have an updated share structure, but it does seem thin. I'm going to show you guys this chart right here. This is what I'm seeing here. The path to least resistance right now is this whole gap fill here. So if we break above 0.004, you got upside to 0.008 and you have a lot of gap fills. All right, so you start seeing all this volume here, 37.68 million. We had buy zones from 14 to 20. Our pivot, I'm looking at this 35 range. If we could manage to close above 35 2 times, I think we're going to test this 0.006 to 0.008 level. My next support, if we break below 14, that's where we're going to keep our stop. That's going to be a 9 through 11 probability range. So that's what the trade is. I want traders to kind of understand that setup. Okay, next ticker symbol is TQLA. I don't have a position in this one. I just noticed it. You have a little bit of a 3-bar drop. Then you had it gap down. And then the stock bounced. I saw volume here, 7 million. TQLA right now, I'm looking at this box pattern. Look for the biggest support. I don't know. I haven't really looked at the level 2. Average 30-day volume is 598,000 shares. It's basically trading about 7 times that volume now. It traded 7 million volume on Friday. Look for that 52-week low master support at 21. I'm looking at that buy zone from 24 to 30. Just look for the biggest support and then just overstep them. Stop close is going to be a close below 0.002 if it can't hold. Then the buy zones is going to be 14 to 17. Authorized shares, it's a little outdated, 300 million authorized shares. Then you have outstanding shares of 73 million. Float is just 41 million. Again, that's from 2014. It does have a yield sign, so I want traders to kind of understand that. Let me just pop up this this chart so you guys can kind of see it. This is ticker symbol TQLA. It's just get this for you guys. Okay, this is the one right here. Okay, we're gonna expand this. Okay, so what you're seeing here is a huge volume accumulation distribution spike. You have increased volume, 7 million. You saw that it tried to create a new low and it kissed that low. Actually, that 0.003 level or that 0.0027 level held and then it bounced. So I want traders to kind of look at these levels to add. Okay, TQLA right now, looking at the chart, I think that 24 to 0.003, that's about a 26% risk. pivot is going to be a break above 45, which is that 21 and 8-day moving average. Look for that next support. If it does break below 0.002, look at that 12 to 15 level. Okay, so I want traders to kind of keep an eye on that one. And next ticker symbol is ticker symbol HENO. This is a stock that we traded from 10 to 25. Now it's looking to kind of bull flag here. I'm looking for a buy zone here from 12 to 15. That looks like the best range. I did add some shares between 14 and 16, so that's my position. It does have revenues. It did have some news, so I want traders to kind of keep an eye on that. It does have a bull flag, so I want traders to kind of understand that. What I'm noticing here is that we do have like a little bit of a gap down, a little bit of bearish sentiment, but that's my level right here. This green level, that's my floor. I want this stock to kind of consolidate in this bullish inside flag pattern. If it does, I expect the stock to kind of pop up. Okay, so my buy zones here is going to be 12 to 15. I did add from that 14 to 16 level. My stop close is going to be a close below 14 two times. If it does, then I'm going to look to start buying this from 9 to 11. Okay, so that's basically the draft that I have for you guys. It was pretty short and sweet, a little simple. These are the setups. I will post the link and I will post a YouTube video. If you have any questions, my number is always available. You guys can give me a call. Anybody that wants to try a free trial, just come over here, radiosilentplay.com, and just click the free trial button. And we're actually having a sale. Just send me an email if you want to know what that sale price is. Also, traders that are in for the 30-day free trial, please make sure that you kind of update your account, because once the 30 days, you won't be able to see the content. Okay, with that said, have a great trading week and take care, everyone.